There it goes. I have decided to change tomorrow's schedule slightly. So pay attention really quick. I changed it a little bit. I realized that tomorrow, after they go to lunch, we have about an hour of time that they wouldn't be doing anything, that we could have a lesson instead. So instead of doing all three in the morning where we go math or ELA, art, math, tiny break, social studies, we can spread out the morning a little bit more. So that it's just not all at once and you guys aren't on the Google Meet for like 2 hours straight, right? So instead, we're still going to do the first two classes like normal. 8 to 8:45 will be ELA. 8:45 to 9:15 is when we'll do art. And then we'll do about a half-hour break so that you guys can get off, maybe eat some breakfast, whatever you need to do. And then at 9:45, we'll come back to do math for about an hour, 9:45 to 10:45. And then they go to lunch, but they don't get recess. That's where I was messed up. There's no recess on Fridays after lunch. Sorry. Not my choice. So they'll go to lunch for 20 minutes and then they'll come back and we can do our social studies lesson from 11:30 to noon. And then they leave at 12:15. So just a slight change. Write that down if you need to. But basically be here at 8 o'clock tomorrow, and then I'll remind you that we have a schedule change throughout the day tomorrow. Sound good?
In Google Classroom?
I can post it. Yeah, I'll post the times in Google Classroom. Yeah. Yep. Alrighty. Now, we are going to take our benchmark. So it's 35 questions. I definitely want you guys to take your time, do your best. It's going to be super helpful for us to know what you have learned this quarter. One second, my phone's ringing. Hello. Hi. What do you mean by water? That's where, yeah, that's where it's their ID number, it's their username, and it's their ID number. Yep. Yeah, they're going to give their ID number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are their username. Yeah. I think so, yeah. I'm not going to say it. I don't think so. Huh? Alright, Mrs. Jew's kind of technology challenge. Okay, sorry, I was helping Mrs. Jew with this testing. So we are gonna take our benchmark right now. So the way that you guys are gonna get there, I'm gonna show it on my screen. It's not in Google Classroom. So basically follow the same steps I do. You'll be able to get in. Okay, so we're gonna open a new tab. And you need to go to Winslow Unified School District, the WSD1.org. So pull up the district's website. Okay, first step. Okay, our second step is to go to the student resources, which you guys all go there all the time, right? The student resources. No, the student resources. Go to resources, and then all the way down to for students. Okay, so you'll end up there. When we used to use Power Assessment, not anymore. So instead of going to Power Assessment, you're going to scroll down, and it's called Performance Matters. It's this blue P, basically. Okay, the blue P. And then you guys click on it. I'm going to stay here for just a second. So this blue P right here, click on that. What does it look like if you open it up? It takes you to a login page. Good. So I will let you know your login in just a minute. For now, open up the Performance Matters thing. Please and thank you. If you're online, let me know when you get there so that I know you're there, please. I do want everybody to be taking this at the same time, so we need to make sure that you guys are there. Okay, the performance matters. Thanks, Charlie. It'll open up and ask you for a login. No, it's different. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. Yep. Oh, it's way easier when everyone's here. That's why I was like, we're going to do it all at the same time. So hopefully that's logging in for you. It's the under student resources, the big blue P. Okay, performance matters. I'll show you in a sec. Okay, looks like we got some of you guys there, but not everybody. So performance matters. I'm assuming you guys are all there. Okay. All right. Hopefully most of you guys are there at the performance matters one. Your username and login are the same exact numbers. It's your student ID. The 5 numbers. So if your student ID is 84321, then you would type 84321 as your your username and your password 84321, and you would hit login to online testing. What does it look like when you do that? Yes, go ahead, please. And then it shows up with one test, right?
Yeah. Quarter 1 math benchmark 2022-2020.
Good. So you will use your ID number as the password and your ID number as the username. Click login to online testing, and there should only be one test in there assigned for you. The
Yeah,
quarter
what
one.
log in?
It's not your password. It's your ID number again. Yeah.
Yeah, like the birthday part?
No, it's not your birthday. It's like your actual ID number. So what's your ID number?
12634.
So you'll use that for both the username and the password.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And then once you log, I don't have an ID, so I can't log in.
Can you send Alex Gracie into the office for a moment?
Yep.
Do we hit start?
Yep, you guys can get started. It's the quarter 1 math benchmark. It should be the only test in there. Take your time. Yeah, go ahead and get started. Take your time. What? Yeah. I don't know. Click on it. I haven't looked at it. Click on it and see what it looks like. Okay. Lonnie, you don't know your ID number? I don't think I know it either. I'd have to go look.
No, it's already loaded in the computer, is it?
Yeah, it's just your computer login. The ID number is your computer login. Yeah. Bradford, what do you mean? Which one is it? Like which test? There should only be one test for you. What does it look like? I can't see that far.
So I tried clicking back, and it just went back to where it says start.
Click next. What does next say?
Oh, look, I think you did that.
So test. You guys got to be more specific online. I don't know which one you mean by which one do you click. There's a lot of places to click online. So where are you at? The student login. So you do your ID number for the username, your ID number for the password, and then you click the online testing one. So log in to online testing. Okay, once you're in there, then you click on the test. When you hover over the test, it tells you like, what does it say when you hover over it? I don't remember. I don't know. I can't see the student side of it, so it's really hard for me to tell you guys where you need to go. So you click on the benchmark, and it should take you to like all these options, but there's a button in the bottom left that says next. So you'll hit next, and it'll start the test. Okay. Yours is on my desk, sorry. Somewhere? Huh. I cannot help you on this, I'm sorry. Yep, take your time, do your best. Lonnie, are you still trying to log in? Because I can see on my end that it's not open. You still need your username and password? Got it? Weird, it's not showing me that it started. Let me try again. Okay, cool. Yeah, you're in. I think everybody's good that's here, and everybody online is good. Alrighty. Awesome. Take your time. Do your best. Good luck.